quarantine. We're literally dyeing her roots. I'll keep you posted. Dyeing the roots. You can stop us from styling in the salon, but you can't stop us from styling and creating, because that's what I'm going to do. So welcome to Beauty Inside. That's the name of my show right now. So for those who are turning in this morning, it's called The Beauty on the Inside. Oh, red light. Chit chatter. Hold on. What y'all know about this? Oh. Oh my God. Y'all gonna be 45 in May. My hair family. Hey, but damn, this is no joke right here. Me and his dancing. Fucking promotion right now. Man, I ain't it, but you know, I'm just talking over her. She's in her own world right now. She's beautiful anymore. She's beautiful now, but you know, she's even more color. She wants no roots like mommy. I don't know if it's like mommy, but you know, that's how I keep mommy. Doing the roots right now. We're finishing up the last, blowing up the last of the roots. Then we'll finish styling. And we'll be finished with this at-home quarantine color. Get ready for the final step. And it's been fun. You can see all her roots are colored. Everything is colored. All the hues are matching. It looks great. Hair is healthy. So I can't wait to get with you for the quarantine color. I'll show you the final product when I finish. I'm flat ironing your hair now. Everything is healthy. Color looks great. I will show you the final product when I actually am finished. We're literally just flat ironing, sealing, and making the hair beautiful. Give me 5 more minutes and I'll get you the final product. Go ahead. You see the color came out kind of icy. Everything looks good. I'm really happy with the color. We'll stay tuned for the rest of the project. Color looks amazing. I'm happy.